Welcome to Medicius. Let's do something. What we're gonna be doing today is we're gonna be cutting down this pine tree that is a wholesome sight. So let's see what we can get done to get this trimmed down. We're gonna cut it all the way down as much as possible as we can. We're gonna start midway and then pull it away from the house because we don't want any damage to be done to the window or anything. So I'm gonna try to set this camera up the best I can, but I'm not gonna do straight across because I don't know which way it's gonna fall, and I don't have a tie on it to pull it back right now. So I'm gonna just do it at an angle, in which I'm gonna come in here and cut it at an angle, and that'll give me a good idea which way the tree gonna lean. And from there, I should be able to just pull it on off, and then I'll cut it as far as I can down there at the root. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be cutting these little limbs off. So let's see how this is gonna go. A lot of this is just dead pine that the owner don't want around the house in the front. So we're just gonna trim around it, and then we'll cut it down. So we got the branches off a pretty good little bit, except the ones at the top. So we're gonna start probably at my height right here or underneath here, cut it at an angle, then knock it off. Then gonna come down again and just may cut it at an angle, or may just do a straight cut, and we'll see how close to the ground we can get. But that's about it. I'm using a electric chainsaw by Win, 16-inch auto oiling. Cost me around about maybe $75 off Amazon. But you gotta remember, you gotta make sure that when you're putting this together, that you get your tension right on the chain. And if you can see right here, I got it probably just a little bit off the chain, just a little bit. They say about 3 centimeters, but I got it just enough off it. You don't want it slacking, because then it's going to be coming apart. All right, so let's get back to it. So as you can see, sorry about that. It's a clean cut. It's a clean cut. The first one was at an angle, and the bottom one, you know, it's a clean, pretty good cut. If you can, yeah, that's a pretty clean cut. So that's it. Just be careful out there with your wood cutting. Make sure you get safety goggles on, and find out which way your tree limb may lean or fall if you're working it close to your house. All right, thanks.